Okay, so we currently got the four-wheeler jacked up, and as you can see in that clip, I do not have like the handle that goes on it to pump it, they make it go up. So we just had to do it with our foot, but we got all the lights working. The problem is with the rock lights is that you can't change it with your phone now. You can't change it at all, so it's currently just red for good. I guess until I can figure something out. So I'm gonna go get the tools out. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so we got all the tools out. We got this, which is what I was talking about. It's I don't know what it's called, but it's got the 17mm on it, like I said we needed. We got the ratchet to get the bolts off faster, and then we got this, which is just to tighten the jack. So let's start taking these things off. Okay, so we got all the bolts off the tire. Let me go take this off real fast. We got the tire off. Definitely flat, for sure. You can see where the hole is because it's all wet right there. So what we're gonna do is right here, it's extremely muddy. I mean, just dirt everywhere. I'm not sure what that sound is, but probably just mud up in there. We're gonna try to spray all this off real good. Then we're gonna take this wheel off and hopefully all the wheels and get it all done. That one's flat, it's not popped, I hope. So I'll get back to y'all when tires are off. Okay, so we have currently got both tires off, front tires off. So this is how dirty it is. I guess it's not as bad as I thought it would be because we couldn't get up and under here real good, but it's also pretty bad. So we're gonna wash this thing and try to get some of that off. So I'll set up a time lapse. Okay, so as you can see right there, we got most of it clean. It actually looks pretty good compared to how it used to look. It's a lot cleaner. The reason I used the little sponge I had was because every time I've used the hose pipe, it won't work. It just, for the moment, it looks like it's getting all of it off and you can see the black, but as soon as it fades, all the water fades away and it's off of it, it's horrible. So that's the reason I used a sponge. So what we're gonna do now is probably put the tires, clean the tires a little bit, and then put the tires back on. And lift up the back and clean up and under there real good. And then we're gonna take the front left tire back off, the one that's flat. Hold on. Yeah, front left tire back off, that's flat. And spray it down and find the hole and everything. So I'll catch you when it's all done. Okay, so we got the bag jacked up, but I'm so confused. What happened here? Like, look at this side, how far up this is. I don't know if you can see it real good. And this ain't even off the ground. So I guess we'll start off with this one right here. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, we got that tire off. I don't know why I said M. It's pretty nasty under this one. I mean, we got, just insane amount of mud and, well, dirt up and under here. Like, that's pretty bad. So we'll try to get this off, but this tire, I think this was the one that was flat. Maybe it's not. I don't know, 'cause, well, this one, I ain't pushing on that. It's gonna fall off the jack. This one might be flat. I think this might be the one that's flat, because I push on it and it goes in. Pretty good. So let's start cleaning this, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, we got it clean. It looks a whole lot better than it did. There's a lot of rust under there, which I don't like at all. So eventually, what we're going to end up doing is I'm going to end up taking all the plastics off of this thing and probably buy new ones, honestly, because they're cracked everywhere. They're all messed up. So I might end up buying new plastics. If I do, it will not be red. it won't be red. It'll probably be black plastics. I'll end up getting probably a red seat. Just changing it up a little bit. I'll end up getting new taillights for it. But if we buy new plastics, we'll take all this down here and repaint it. We'll have new tires on it, but this is like future stuff, like a long ways away. But that's what I would like to do with it. It's sitting like that for the moment. But for some reason my rock lights aren't wanting to work. I guess that one's about to fall off. But it's alright, ain't no big deal. So, I guess that concludes the video, and I'll catch you next time at the RNTV channel.